My goal is to pay off 660,000 pesos in debt this 2026, and here are my 3 non-negotiable things I spend money on. Number 1 is food. Kasama na doon yung grocery and eat-out budget namin. Ang budget ko for eating out is just 5,000 pesos per month. Sobrang nakat na to from our usual eating out budget. It's not like we're eating out at fancy restaurants. Kumakain lang kami sa labas pag kasama namin yung kids. And usually, Frankie's, Popeyes, Jollibee, ganun lang. And then the grocery part, ang daming nagsabi na yung budget ko of 35,000 for a family of 5 plus 1 stay-in and 4 dogs is too much. And I say, enough lang siya. Madami na rin kaming nakat sa grocery budget namin. Yung sweet spot namin talaga is 35 to 40,000 pesos per month. So far, hindi naman kami napapanisan ng pagkain, hindi naman kami na-expire na ng snack. Nauubos naman yung laman ng pantry namin. So I think it's enough for us. I can't say na pakakainin ko yung family ko ng delata and kanin lang while I'm paying off my debt. Ano yun, makakabayad nga ako ng utang, pero magiging malnourished naman yung mga anak ko, tapos ma-hospital sila. So ganun ulit, mababaon lang ulit ako sa utang pag naging hospital sila. Whereas kung I keep them healthy by giving them nutritious food, edi walang magkakasakit sa amin, edi hindi kami mababaon sa utang lalo. 'Di ba? Gets ba? And then my number 2 na negotiable thing I spend on is my kids' education. My kids go to private school and nilaban ko talaga na dun sila sa school na yun mag-aral kasi it's my alma mater and tiwala ako sa quality of education sa school na yun. After school, they also do kumon because I want my kids to be good in math kasi I see the benefit in adulthood pag magaling ka sa math. Na-develop yung logical thinking mo which would later help you in life and in your career. And then my last non-negotiable thing I spend money on is my dog's maintenance. Again, ito nakat na to ng husto kasi dati nag-groom sila every other week tapos may treats sila lagi. Ngayon, kami na lang nag-groom sa kanila dito sa bahay and then hindi na as frequent yung treats. A few commented na dapat daw ipa-adapt ko na lang yung dogs while I'm paying off my debt. And I say, ba't ko naman gagawin yun? Napakasama ko naman. We treat our dogs as part of the family and we don't just leave them behind when life gets tough. Before din kami magkaroon ng utang, the dogs were already making money kasi may viral sila na video. Binili ni Viral Hug yung licensing so kumikita kami doon for several months. Nagbe-breed din kami ng dogs so ilang buwan din kaming kumita from the dogs. I just don't see the logic na napakinabangan namin sila ng ganun and then ngayon na hindi na namin sila napapakinabangan. We will just let them go. Parang napaka-cruel naman nun. So, yun. Those are my 3 non-negotiable things I spend on while still paying my 660,000 debt this 2026. Kayo, anong mga non-negotiable things that you spend on? Comment and I'd love to see it. Yun lang. Bye.